Have you ever wished you could read minds? Imagine knowing what someone is truly thinking, even if they don't say it aloud. While we can't literally delve into people's minds, there are ways to become better at understanding their thoughts and feelings. By paying attention to their nonverbal cues, we can unlock the secrets hidden beneath the surface. It's like having a superpower, the ability to decipher the human enigma. Imagine you're at a party, and you see someone standing alone in a corner. They might say they're fine, but their downcast eyes and slumped shoulders tell a different story. Or perhaps you're in a meeting, and your colleague claims to agree with the proposed plan, but their tightly crossed arms and pursed lips suggest otherwise. These subtle cues can reveal a wealth of information about someone's true emotions and intentions. Learning to read these signs is a valuable skill that can enhance your relationships, both personal and professional. By becoming more attuned to the unspoken language of others, you can communicate more effectively, build stronger connections, and navigate social situations with greater ease. So, are you ready to embark on this journey of discovery? Let's delve into the fascinating world of nonverbal communication and explore the secrets it holds. They say the eyes are the windows to the soul, and for a good reason. Eye contact is a powerful tool for communication, conveying a wide range of emotions, from trust and affection to suspicion and deceit. Have you ever noticed how sustained eye contact can create a sense of intimacy and connection? When someone gazes into your eyes, it can feel like they're truly seeing you, understanding your thoughts and feelings on a deeper level. On the other hand, avoiding eye contact can signal discomfort, disinterest, or even deception. Pay attention to pupil dilation as well. When someone is excited or interested, their pupils tend to dilate, becoming larger. Conversely, constricted pupils can indicate boredom, anger, or disgust. Remember, interpreting eye contact is not an exact science, and cultural norms can play a role. However, by paying close attention to this subtle form of communication, you can gain valuable insights into someone's emotional state and intentions. Our bodies are constantly communicating, even when our words are silent. From our posture and gestures to our facial expressions and micro-movements, our body language speaks volumes about our thoughts and feelings. Imagine you're having a conversation with someone, and they suddenly cross their arms. This defensive gesture might indicate that they feel uncomfortable, threatened, or disagree with what you're saying. Similarly, leaning forward can signal interest and engagement, while leaning back might suggest disinterest or boredom. Pay attention to their hands as well. Fidgeting, tapping fingers, or clenched fists can indicate nervousness, anxiety, or frustration. On the other hand, open palms and relaxed hands often convey honesty, trustworthiness, and openness. Remember, interpreting body language, like any form of communication, requires context. Consider the person's overall demeanor, the situation, and your prior knowledge of them. With practice, you'll become more adept at deciphering the silent orchestra of body language. Section 4. Beyond Words. Listening to the Unspoken Symphony. While nonverbal cues like eye contact and body language provide valuable insights, we can't forget the importance of listening to the unspoken symphony of tone of voice and verbal cues. Think about how a simple phrase like, "That's interesting," can convey completely different meanings depending on the tone of voice. Said with genuine curiosity, it expresses interest and engagement. However, when uttered with sarcasm, it can convey disinterest, skepticism, or even contempt. Pay attention to the pace and volume of speech as well. Rapid speech can indicate nervousness or excitement, while slow, deliberate speech might suggest thoughtfulness or seriousness. A sudden increase in volume might signal anger or frustration, while a soft, hushed tone could convey intimacy, sadness, or fear. Remember, effective communication involves not just listening to the words being spoken, but also paying attention to the underlying melody of tone and delivery. By tuning into these subtle nuances, you can gain a deeper understanding of the speaker's true emotions and intentions. Section 5. Empathy, the key to unlocking understanding. While understanding nonverbal cues is essential for reading people, the most important tool in your arsenal is empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, to see the world from their perspective. Imagine you're having a disagreement with a friend. Instead of focusing on proving your point, try to see the situation from their point of view. Why are they feeling the way they are? What experiences have shaped their perspective? By putting yourself in their shoes, you can approach the conversation with greater understanding and compassion. This doesn't mean you have to agree with them, but it does allow for a more productive and empathetic dialogue. Remember, we are all complex individuals with unique experiences and perspectives. By cultivating empathy and approaching interactions with a genuine desire to understand, we can build stronger, more meaningful connections with those around us.